what's up, y'all? Say hey, Deuce. No? Okay. I just picked him up from his grandmother's house. She gave me all this stuff for his room. Let me show y'all. Can't take y'all off. I will show y'all later. She gave him all this stuff for his room that he needed. I've been wanting to buy these little, y'all know the 8 cube cuppy shelves? Been wanting to buy those. Are you buckled in? Put your seatbelt on. I can't pull off till you put your seatbelt on. Been needing to buy him those. But I didn't realize how expensive they were. So couldn't get that. And then she got him a TV, which I was just about to buy him a TV yesterday. But got him a TV. It has all the right stuff on it. So now he can stop watching his tablet and start looking at what he watching on his tablet on his TV. Here, I'll hold it. I'll put it right here. So he can stop watching his tablet so much because the screen is so tiny and he'd be so close to it. And then what else did she get? She got him an actual TV stand. So I might figure out something to do with the TV stand once I get their room together. Because now I can really do their room how I want to. That he has a now that he has a TV. And then my old TV that don't work, and then the other TV we have, I'm probably gonna take the other TV we have back to my grandmother's house because my grandmother is the one who gave it to me. So I might take that one back to my grandmother's house since we don't need it anymore. Because her TV was a little older, so I had to find a piece that connects the I had to find this. I had to find this that connected to the back of the TV that also connected to the HDMI. Order it because I went to a couple places and they didn't have them in store. I would have to order them from their website. So I have a reverse camera because I definitely can't see. So really happy about that. I really don't have anything to do today. I guess I'll tell you all. I do have to get rid of my cats, which I have to drive kind of slow. I'm sad about it. I love my kitten so much. She's only 6 months, but I love my kitten so much. And I have to get rid of her because I don't feel like she's happy being at my house. I just don't. She's stressed because of just the environment. To adjust and get used to the new place, it's just a lot of changes. Didn't realize that cats stressed so much. So yeah, she's just super stressed. So it's causing her to be really just aggressive. She'll hiss and growl at everyone else in the house but me. Like, the only time she'll ever hiss at me is if I'm trying to get her out from under one of the beds. But besides that, like, she'll come and get on the bed and cuddle with me. She'll come to me in the morning and rub up against me. She lets me pick her up. She lets me pet her. All that. She don't let anybody else in the house do that. So yeah, I don't want her to only feel comfortable when I'm at the house. So I'm gonna give her to someone who doesn't have so much going on, I guess. Yeah, I'm finna go take this stuff in the house, and then we'll take the stuff in the house, get him together, and go from there. See y'all in the house. This is what his grandmother gave me. I'm gonna wipe them down because they were outside in her shed and clean them off. And then I don't know. I might, like right here where the paint is coming off, I might paint over that, but I'm just not 100% sure. So we have this little spot right here. I had a bin right here with this over it. I'm just gonna put that right here. I set up the TV from home. I think I'm gonna put their shoes inside of the little cubby thing. And then I gotta put those over there up. So yeah, I'm gonna do all that. Just gotta get some more stuff together. No. Your new family's on the way, baby. I wonder if she knows she's leaving. I packed all her stuff in the box. I gotta clean her kitty litter out and clean her little litter box out before they come. They aren't on their way just yet, but when they are on their way, I'm gonna clean out her litter box so that I can give it to them and put her bed in there. What's the matter? What's wrong? But yeah, I still have my work badge on. She's leaving today.
Well, here.
It's time to go, Rainy. Well, I just gave my cat away. And yeah, I'm a little sad. I don't know. I loved having a cat. I love cats. I love animals. So yeah, we might get another pet soon. Probably something not so sensitive, I guess. Probably need something like a dog that can roughhouse and play with the kids too. I don't know. I might get them a fish so they can learn responsibilities. Keep it alive. Remember to feed it when they get home. Something like that. But yeah. I guess I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. I'll see y'all in the next video.